What to know about adjusting your retirement savings plan post-divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Divorce can create a major shift in your financial outlook, especially when it comes to retirement. Whether your savings were divided or you're now planning for the future on a single income, it's important to reassess your retirement strategy. Let's talk about what to know when adjusting your retirement savings plan after divorce. First, review how your retirement assets were divided in your divorce judgment. If a 401k, pension, or other qualified plan was split, make sure the proper legal steps, like a qualified domestic relations order or QDRO, have been completed. This ensures funds are transferred correctly and without early withdrawal penalties. Once everything is settled, it's time to look at where you stand financially and what needs to change moving forward. Next, evaluate your current retirement accounts and contributions. You may be earning less than when you were married, or you may have more financial freedom to save aggressively. It all depends on your new circumstances. Either way, update your contribution goals, consider opening or adjusting an IRA, and if you're self-employed or working independently, look at solo 401k or SEP IRA options. We helped a client who assumed she'd be starting over after her divorce. But after reviewing her assets and adjusting her contribution strategy, she was actually on track to retire comfortably, just on a different timeline. With the right planning, she was able to increase her monthly savings and get peace of mind about the future. At Divorce 661, we don't just help you through the legal process, we help you plan for what comes after. That includes working with financial professionals to update your retirement strategy, reviewing your accounts, and ensuring your judgment supports a financially secure future. If you've recently divorced and want help reviewing or rebuilding your retirement plan, visit Divorce661.com and schedule a free consultation. We'll help you take control, update your strategy, and move forward with confidence toward the next chapter of your life.